Hello friends, we often use the word welcome whenever a guest comes to our house or to any events. So let's make it interesting by adding some new words. Cordially. We cordially welcomed our chief guest to the event. Warmly. +3 first year students were warmly welcomed to our English department. Formally or officially. Narendra Modi formally or officially welcomed the President of Russia. Wholeheartedly. The new bride was wholeheartedly welcomed to her in-laws' house. Genuinely. A leader should genuinely welcome the opinions of all the audience. Universally. The views of a terrorist cannot be universally welcomed. So, there are more words like this. To know about all, subscribe this channel.